Welcome to Mariola's Artisan Kitchen. This week's recipe is eggplant parmesan. Enjoy. This video is brought to you by artisankitchen.online. Join us and learn how to cook good food. Let's start with our weekly recipe, eggplant parmesan. The recipe will serve about 4 or 5 people. The star of this recipe is, of course, eggplant. You will need 2 medium to large size. Slice each one of the eggplants in about ½ inch thick slices. Place them on a paper towel lined sheet. Salt each one of them generously and leave them for ½ an hour. After that, blot the salty water off each size. Set up your breading station. A little flour on one plate, on another 2 eggs that have been whisked, and the breadcrumbs, about 2 cups, on a third plate. Each of the slices needs to be coated with flour, then placed in the egg wash, and finally coated with the breadcrumbs. You might have to add some breadcrumbs if you don't have enough. Place it on a baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes on each side at the 400 degrees oven. In the meantime, in a medium pot, preheat 2 cans of tomato sauce. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes into the sauce. Now add to the sauce ½ cup of chopped and caramelized onion. Add ½ cup of fresh basil leaves. Cover the bottom of your baking dish with a part of your sauce. Place each slice of the breaded and pre-baked eggplant. Sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. Add mozzarella cheese on each slice. Now place another slice of the breaded eggplant on each one of the slices. Add a slice of the fresh tomato on each one of them and sprinkle it with basil. Add a small amount of the mozzarella cheese on each one of them. Now pour the rest of the tomato sauce all over the eggplant. Bake in 400 degrees oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. When baked, take it out of the oven and let it sit for a few minutes. Then sprinkle it with the Parmesan cheese and serve it immediately. Everyone is going to enjoy this simple and hearty recipe. Let me know how yours turned out. Thank you for watching this week's recipe. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press on the bell if you want to be notified when the next video is available.